Unbox my advent calendar with me. It is a, yeah, you'll see. Okay, so it's really big. So first, we're gonna do one. Oh wow. Okay. Ooh, got a Tava squishy. Okay, that's pretty cute. It's in a little Oreo. So cute. Okay, where's two's right next door. Okay. Oh, that's okay. Oh my gosh! It's a little, like, munchkin. So cute. Okay, and now we have three. Three is a big one. This is like the biggest one in the whole advent calendar. Oh, it's the paw. It's the paw one. This is so cute. Okay. Yeah, thank you. Bye, guys.